Welcome today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and now just go to the sound section. Just here scroll down a little bit and here you'll see the notification sound. It's Beryllium right now. Tap here and you can select one from these available notification sounds, and also you can add a notification from your phone or from your for example Google Drive or another music on your phone. For example, I will go in with this one. Just now tap OK, and as can you see right now our notification sound has changed successfully to the Proteon. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.